Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be learning how to use the last application for logo designing, which is pixellab. So let's jump right into our application. So I'm clicking on it, and now this is the interface of pixellab. It actually looks complex, but it's very easy to use. So now let's get started. Now if you look at the top side, the very top, you realize we have a plus sign, a memory card sign, a share sign, quotation, and a three dots. For now, we don't need it. What we are going to be focusing on is the button part, which is the project, the default, and some other pictures, think, and all those sort of things. Now, in the main screen, you can see that we have something called new text. Now, let's say we want to design something using the new text. So let's click on our new text now. So to add a new text or to edit it, you can see the pen on the right corner with the delete trash can. So if you click the pen, it's gonna give you an opportunity to write again. So let's say we want to design something for, like, let's pick AR. So AR. So that is AR now. So let's say we click OK and we want to design AR. Now everything in this AR, you can design it using the last bottom side of the screen. You can see we have three circles. So we have three circles, we have a font, then we have shapes and some other things, a lot of things, pretty cool stuff. We are going to learn everything one after the other. So now you've written that. Now to edit our AR rather, we are going to click on the A, because the A means letters and everything you can do with your letters. So you click on the A. You can see it's pop-up style, edit, delete, copy, to front, to back, position, relative position, everything. They are cool, pretty stuff, but let's start using it one after the other. Now to start with, let's pick font. Let's look for font and change for the font to make it a little bit beautiful. So this is font. So let's say you are clicking on the AB font. So there are tons of fonts that you can use here that can make your work really look pretty cool, beautiful, but I love using my own font. So, and this is my own font. So that is AR. You can see that it's a little bit designated. So there are other fonts inside that you can also test as well until you find an appeasing one to your own eye, like the one that you really like. So let's check for some other fonts, but that is the font I want to use. I don't think that we also have other fonts. That's just it. So let's say we are using this. So that's another pretty cool design. So let's go back to my font. I love my font. So Falcon. Okay, and here is it now. Now with this, you can still change a lot of things. So it's still giving you a tab on the letters here now. So let's start from A. We have edit, that is to change what you've written. You want to change it from AR to something else. Now we have delete. I'm not deleting it. Copy, I don't need that. To front, to back, I don't need it. Positioning, it's okay like that because I can easily navigate it on my screen. So if I'm not having any kind of problem with the touch. So after then, the size, I'm okay with the size because I can actually increase or decrease the size with this pinpoint. So after that, we have padding. You don't need the padding. So the color, so you can choose to change the color like this. So if you are clicking on the color, it gives you a variety of color, and you can click on plus to have more colors, so you can navigate through and pick any kind of color you like. So here is AR with the red color, but I don't like using color. I have something far better than using color to design, and that's what we call texture, the next thing after the color. So let's say we are clicking on the texture now. So the texture is the kind of image that you want to use the color of that image to make the color of your own logo. What I'm saying next is that let's say you have a picture of a house and the house is brown in color, but it is not a plain brown, a designated brown. I want that designated brown to be your color here. You can click on the picture and pick it. Now to understand what I'm talking about, I will click on the picture. So it's gonna prop me up into my gallery. So and then I can pick any picture I like. So let me pick recent and go to photos through gallery, so it will be easy to access. So now we are here. So what can we do? Just have to pick up a picture. So after picking the picture, okay, let me use this. So you pick a picture that you want desired color to show. So I'm picking that now. So let's see what's going to happen. So it's up to you. Now which part do you want to pick? But I would love to pick the tree part. So the tree part with the light. So let's do it this way. So I'm going to engrave that tree on my letter. So you click yes. I hope you can see this now. And then if you don't really want it to be that way, you can also enable the size. So you see now the tree is coming up. So it depends on whatever you want. So we have tree in both letters, and I'm okay by that. It's pretty cool with me. So then after that, the next thing you can also do is turn your letter to 3D, and that is where I said logo maker lied. He knows nothing about 3D, but still he put it there. So I will show you the meaning of 3D now. 3D means a double-sided object or letter or anything. So all these shadows, they are all what you can use to edit the design as well. But let's go to 3D straightforward to prevent wasting our megabytes and some other things. So 3D text now. So if you enable it, it will be doubled. I hope you see what I'm talking about now. It has been doubled now. So the depth, you can increase it. The depth is the size of the doubling. You see, it keeps going backward. But if I come back, it's going to bring it back to normal, and I'm okay with that bevel. So these are rotations, how you want your object to be. Do you want it to face like this or turn it like this? So it is actually pretty cool. Pixellab is really good. It's even the best logo designer according to me. With me, that is the best logo designer, and this is the light angle. So you can choose to rotate your light any angle you like. Any angle you like rather. So and a lot more. So I'm okay with this. And let's come to 3D rotate. So you can do that same thing here as well. So I'm going to do my own rotation here, and I'll be okay with this. So okay, let's leave it this way, and a little bit of rotation backwards. Good. So I'm okay with this now. So this is AR. Now look at it. We have a picture. We have a letter now. Now let's say we want to use a picture background for this AR. So if you want to use a picture background for this AR, you come into picture. So picture is right here, and then you click on import. So you look for your image through photos or anyone you like. So let's see. Oh, pretty cool. So then we're going to enlarge it. You bring it. So you're going to cover everything. You cover what you're saying like this by picking the pinpoints. So I hope you can see me very well. So after doing that, you can see that you can't find our AR again. But we are going to do it. It's right on this top corner. You click on this 2 layer under the 3 dots. So you click on it. You can see now. Then you swap it. You hold on it like this, and then you swap it downwards, and your AR comes upward, and that does it. So let's go back. I hope you can see it now. But due to the color, the kind of mesh we used, the color is the same. It's actually not the same, but we can't really differentiate between the two colors. So I can easily change my texture by clicking on this. And if I want to change the texture, what am I going to do? After clicking on this, I come to edit, and I come to texture, and then I can go and pick another picture easily. So I can go and pick another picture easy. So let's look for another picture that will be pretty cool. So let's use this. So let me pick somewhere around here, somewhere around this place. I really hope you understand the concept of the texture now. So you can just pick somewhere, any place you need. You can just pick it. So I'm okay with this side. So okay, that's just it, and that's texturing. Then you can create the side by using enabling, the one we did the other time. So you can see it's pretty small like this, but let's just put it like this. I think it will be better like this. So, and that's just it. So another thing that you can do is come down to this and pick vignette or anything we want to use. You can use a lot of things here, but I love to use a vignette. So the vignette is going to create a kind of darkened circle or something. So I hope you can see this now. So a darkened circle, it casts a shadow. So AR, and you can just shift this a little bit. So, and that is that on that. So let's meet in the next tutorial, and let's talk about some cool stuff again on pixellab, and let me show you some other things. But now this image, now you see that I can easily disturb this AR. If you want to fix it, I don't want it to move anywhere again, you can easily come back to these 3 dots and then click on the padlock. So if you click the padlock, it's not going to move anymore. So let's check it. You see that it's not moving. On the contrary, the background is moving. So you can do the same thing to the background by locking it. So you lock, and then they are not going to leave that place again. You can see now, you can easily play with your screen and nothing is going to happen to the picture. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. God bless you.